Hey guys, welcome back to the Giving Bartender Home Edition. My name is Christos. Today we're celebrating the Chinese New Year and we're going to talk about the Chinese national spirit. We're going to talk about Baijiu. Baijiu is the most produced and consumed spirit in the world. It sells more than gin, vodka and whiskey combined. Last year I think it was like 8 billion liters. And there's a good reason for this. Baijiu is connected to every aspect of Chinese life, from dinner with family or friends, to a wedding, to a funeral, to a celebration, even to business. They will sit down and Baijiu will accompany food almost always. It will be consumed in small shots like this of 10 ml, and usually, traditionally actually, if you toast somebody, they have to toast back by the end of the meal. This means that if you're having a dinner with like 10 people and you toast every single one of them, you should expect another 10 to come back. So you should be a little bit careful. And that's why actually the bottles of Baijiu by large margin are half liter, because when you open a bottle of Baijiu, you expect it that it will finish. So what is Baijiu? Baijiu is a category that closes the traditional Chinese spirits, and it is broken down to 12 categories. 4 of them are the bigger ones: the strong aroma, light aroma, rice aroma, and the sauce. We will do a video in the future. I'm still educating myself on the subject. It's a vast subject, and for no reason would I say that I'm an expert. I'm just an enthusiast. The other category I would only be able to put Baijiu would be in a high ester rum, a Jamaican rum probably. And that's the reason why in the past year has been more and more popular with bartenders making drinks, because it has a strong and beautiful character. So let's make a cocktail. We're gonna make the Red Rooster, which selfishly I have named after my Chinese zodiac sign. We're gonna go with 50 ml of mint green Baijiu, and we're gonna use freshly pressed grapefruit, 45 ml. We're gonna do 15 ml of cinnamon syrup and 15 ml of apricot brandy. Last but not least, we're gonna need, we're gonna give it a nice Swiss twist. So we're gonna use the 7 cents beer from the Red Rooster hotel where I work. We're gonna need 3 dashes. So if you remember, for every spray is half a dash. So we're gonna need 6 of them. We're gonna use this nice bowl that I found. I don't really know if it's for drinking or for eating. I think it's a lovely bowl and it fits the occasion. And we're gonna ice our tin. I'm gonna use a clear ice block for my drink. And we're gonna shake for 12 seconds. And we're gonna double strain as always, almost as always. So there you have it, the Red Rooster. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everything works better than the previous year. Write to us if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer, I'm happy to help, and also I'm happy if anyone wants to educate me. Do subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Cheers. This is fantastic. Welcome back to the Giving Bartender Home Edition. My name is Christos. Today we're celebrating Chinese New Year, which is the Lunar New Year, and we're entering the year of the fox. Again with the fox. Something's up with the fox.